2001. The bet nobody wanted. You call your broker. You say, buy 1 million shares of Apple. He pauses. He asks if you're sure. You say yes. Your portfolio now looks like this. 1 million shares. $1 each. Total value? $1 million. Your friends think you've lost your mind. Your financial advisor sends you an email warning you about risk. Your father calls and says, "Son, put it in real estate." You close your laptop. You go to sleep. You hold. 2002, the dark year. 2002 is brutal. The market keeps falling. Apple drops even lower. Your $1 million is now worth around $600,000. You're down $400,000 on paper. That's a new car, a down payment on a house. Gone. But here's what you understand that others don't. A loss is only real when you sell. You don't sell. You wait. 2003, the first sign of life. April 2003, Apple launches the iTunes Store. 99 cents a song. Revolutionary. The music industry is terrified. Consumers are obsessed. Combined with the iPod, which came out in 2001, Apple starts showing up everywhere. In pockets, in gyms, in schools. Those white earbuds become a cultural symbol. Stock responds, climbs to $2. Your $600,000 low point is now back to $2 million. Double your original investment in 2 years. You think about selling just for a second. The profit would be life-changing. But something tells you this is just the beginning. You hold. 2004 to 2006, the quiet build. These years are quiet. No explosion, no crash. Just steady, relentless growth. iPod mini, iPod nano, iPod video, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air. Apple is becoming cool. Not just a computer company, a lifestyle. By end of 2006, stock hits $10. Your investment? $10 million. $10 million from $1 million in 5 years without touching it once. And the biggest moment in tech history hasn't even happened yet. 2007, the day everything changes. January 9th, 2007, Macworld Conference, San Francisco. Steve Jobs walks on stage in his black turtleneck. He says, "Every once in a while, a revolutionary product comes along that changes everything." The crowd is silent. Then he holds it up. A small glass rectangle. No keyboard, no stylus, just glass. The iPhone. In that moment, Nokia doesn't know it's dead yet. BlackBerry doesn't know it's dead yet. The entire mobile industry doesn't know it's dead yet. But you're holding Apple stock, and you feel it. By end of 2007, stock hits $12. Your investment? $12 million. You quit your job that week. You never go back. 2009, the market starts breathing again. Apple climbs back. Slowly, then fast. January 2010, Steve Jobs is back on stage. This time with a bigger glass rectangle. The iPad. A device nobody asked for, that everybody buys. By end of 2010, stock hits $30. Your investment? $30 million. $30 million. You buy your first house. Cash. No mortgage, no bank, just Apple. 2012, 2017, the empire. Under Tim Cook, Apple doesn't slow down. It scales. iPhone 5, iPhone 6, the biggest launch in history. 300 million units in 1 year. Apple Watch, AirPods. The App Store generates more money than Hollywood. 2015. Stock hits $130. Your investment? $130 million. 2018. Apple becomes the first company in history worth $1 trillion. Stock at $220. Your investment? $220 million. $220 million from 1 million. You never sold a single share. 2020, the ultimate test. And then 2020, a virus nobody saw coming, shuts down the entire planet. Markets collapse faster than 2008. Apple drops from $320 to $57 in weeks. Your $220 million crashes to $57 million. You lost $163 million in 23 days. $163 million gone. This is the moment. This is where most people break. Forums are screaming sell. TV is screaming sell. Your phone won't stop buzzing. You turn it off. You go for a walk. You look around. People still have iPhones. People are still using MacBooks to work from home. People are still streaming on Apple TV. You come home, you buy more shares. 6 months later, stock is at $130. By December 2020, $180. By early 2021, $180 plus. The people who sold in March 2020 locked in the worst loss of their lives and missed the greatest recovery in stock market history. 2022 to 2024, the final chapters. 2022, the Fed raises interest rates aggressively. Tech stocks get destroyed. Apple drops to $125. You've seen worse. You hold. 2023, AI explodes. ChatGPT, NVIDIA, the whole tech sector roars back. Apple announces Apple Intelligence, AI built into every iPhone, every Mac, every iPad. Stock hits $195. 2024, iPhone 16, Apple Vision Pro. Services revenue hits record highs. Stock touches $230. Your investment? $230 million. 2026. Today. Today, 2026. Apple stock, around $210. Your initial investment? $1 million. Your investment today? $210 million. Return? Plus 20,900%. Time held? 25 years. Number of times you sold? 0. The lesson. You didn't have insider information. You didn't watch charts every day. You didn't have a hedge fund or an MBA. You had one skill, the rarest skill in investing: patience. Every crash felt like the end. Every crash was actually the sale. In 2001, everyone said Apple was dying. The only thing that died was being broke. Subscribe. Next video, you put $1 million in Bitcoin in 2010. The number will make you sick.